This topic is multiple layers in global strategy. You may be able to investigate and explain a group of factors of a certain strategy to guarantee your future success at the organization and operation level. However, oftentimes, regardless of your effort, how hard you try, you may end up with failure or being defeated. That's because there is another meta level or hyper level of factors, which is the factors in the industry and product category level. The concept of industry is very important in marketing, strategy, and economics. The major source of revenue of a company is the indicator of its relevant industry, which means the success of the company's strategy can be determined by the factors in the industry. And the concept of industry can be translated into product category in terms of perceptions, which is frequently used in marketing. Products are perceived to be grouped at varying levels of specificity. And this is quite closely related to the concept of pattern recognition. I mean, people tend to recognize things by patterns, and people tend to value the mainstream, the group of companies, and ignore other streams. It's a kind of stereotype, part of human nature, but this is the market. This is what happens in the market. The group of winners takes it all, and other groups will disappear. So in the case of disruptive innovation, for example, think about iPhone in this decade and VHS in the 80s. When the dominant design came out and redefined the industry and influenced all the stakeholders, the game has been over, right? The dominant design will rule the market and other companies will just follow the dominant design. Trying to piggyback on the dominant design, generating a secure level revenue as a second player or third player or fourth player, so on and so forth. So it is much easier, right, to piggyback on the market leader and enjoy the situation. The only alternative way in this situation is go to the other direction, trying to defeat the dominant design and making another disruptive innovation, which is very, very hard. So the conclusion of this is about the importance of reading market trends, understanding the multiple layers in the global strategy. Global firms need to be in the flow, not against the flow. Right? It's very hard for them to swim backwards against the major flow. Right? So in the flow, you can go faster by adding more factors at the organization operation level, other strategic factors. Okay, you can speed up in the flow. This is it for today, and this was about the importance of multiple layers in global strategy. Thank you.